Are you tired of manually updating records in Salesforce? Learn to automate it in under 3 minutes. I'll show you exactly how to create a record-triggered flow from scratch. Follow these 12 simple steps. Start by clicking the Quick Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then, from the drop-down, go ahead and click on Open Advanced Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Flow to filter the setup menu. Now click on Flow from the results to open the Flow Setup page. Click the New Flow button to start creating a new flow. In the dialog that appears, select Triggered Automations as the flow type. Then choose Record Triggered Flow from the options to proceed. Select the object that will trigger this flow from the drop-down list. Once you've chosen the object, click Save to move to the next step. Type a descriptive label for your flow in the Flow Label field. The API name will auto-populate, but you can adjust it if needed. Finally, click Save to finish creating your flow. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.